Uli Hatung Wilka Hanak Pachabanta Hampi Kamayokuna Hampui Hampui. May this rainbow salutation awaken in each of you, my beloved Thoth family, a remembering of your presence on this good earth as immortal souls, as Nuna Kurkai, as extended consciousness beyond the insanity that is blanketing this present postmodern psyche we call the human mind. As a way of helping you transcend the disturbance, the dis-ease, the dysfunction that sadly has characterized the events that surround us on this good earth, there are some very simple things you can do. First of all is to receive my most love-sourced offering of this Kamaska-laden Seguro water. So when I do my aspersion into your virtual eye watching this, take a deep, deep breath through the nose and hold on to the aromatic ambrosia of this sacred libation. Bien recibido, bien ofrecido y bien florecido sea la virtud divina en mis hermanos y hermanas aquí presentes. Now that we have infused our environments with this delicious, sweet aroma, I offer the following transmission. Sound. So important we expose ourselves to regain our sanity to the sounds of Mother Nature, of Mama Pacha. As many of you know, we have in the Kamaska tradition an awareness of three parts of ourselves. One known as the sombra, the other known as the muskui, which is our dream body, our dream sense. The sombra is basically our awareness, our mental awareness. The muskui is our dream awareness. And then we have the nunaipa, which is our soul awareness. So think of the sombra as our causal or mental body, our muskui as our astral or imaginal body, and our nuna as our soul and vibrational sentient body. There are three gradations of energy that are both experienced in our physicality, yet have their origin in our non-physical divine self. Yet they're all part of our human experience. To awaken your higher mental body, your sombra, expose yourself to the sounds of birdsong in the morning, or to that of the chirping of crickets at nighttime. To awaken your muskuya or your dream body, expose yourself to the sounds of a flowing water in a creek or river or soft river, not tumultuous, or the ocean coming up upon the sandy shores, that rhythmic ebb and flow of Mamacocha. And to awaken your Nuna body or your soul body, the sound of wind or the gentle rustling of trees, of leaves in the tree. Those simple sounds in our Mother Earth's dreaming are activators of our three bodies. Our Uring Kurku, our Chauping Kurku, and our Hanang Kurku. Our inner, our conscious, and our superconscious, or superior experiences of self. May these teachings find a resonant, loving place in your heart, my Thoth family.